Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are good. Our today's lesson is unit number 12 Kabir's Computer from Oxford Modern English book 1. Let me tell you something about a unit first. The main character of a unit is a boy whose name is Kabir. Kabir went to his room. He doesn't switch on the light of computer, he directly turned the computer. The light is appear on the screen of computer and the reflection of Kabir is at the screen. He became afraid of this and ran toward the door of room and switched on the light. He came back to the computer and looked at the screen of a computer. There is no face. So he said to himself, that was only a reflection. Let us find meaning of some difficult words from the unit. Number 1 is appear. Urdu meaning is zahir hona, to come into sight. Second word is message, yani पैगाम, words that show on the screen when one person types. Third word is reflection, yani aks, the picture that you see on a shiny surface. Next word is surprise, yani हैरान, feeling when something happened that you are not ready for. Switch on yani chalana means turn on. Let's move toward the reading and explanation of a unit. One evening Kabir went into his room. एक शाम कबीर अपने कमरे में गया. It was very dark in the room. कमरे में बहुत अंधेरा था. He did not switch on the light. उसने बत्ती नहीं चलाई. कबीर sat down at his desk. कबीर अपने डेस्क पर बैठ गया. He turned on his computer. उसने अपना कंप्यूटर चलाया. The computer made a noise. Buzz, trip, flip, flip, flip. कंप्यूटर से एक आवाज़ आई. Buzz, trip, flip, flip, flip. Students, take out your pencils and find out meaning of some difficult word and underline these words. The first word is evening, यानी शाम. Second word is dark, यानी अंधेरा. Third word is turned on, यानी चलाना. Fourth word is noise, यानी शोर. In this paragraph, we read that the time was evening. Kabir went to his room and he doesn't switch on the light of the room, but he moved toward the computer and turned on it. The computer made a noise, buzz, trip, flip, flip and flip. Now move toward the second paragraph. Then there was a clicking sound and the screen lit up. क्लिक की तरह की एक आवाज़ आई और स्क्रीन चलने लगी. कबीर looked round the room. कबीर अपने कमरे के इर्द गिर्द देखने लगा. His room was filled with light. उसका कमरा रोशनी से भर गया. कबीर टैप्ड ऑन द कीबोर्ड. कबीर ने कीबोर्ड के ऊपर कुछ लिखा. ही लुक्ड अप द स्क्रीन, और स्क्रीन की तरफ देखा. द स्क्रीन वॉज ब्लू. स्क्रीन नीली हो चुकी थी. देन अ फेस अपीयर्ड, और एक चेहरा जाहिर हुआ. इट वॉज द फेस ऑफ अ बॉय. ये एक लड़के का चेहरा था. हु लुक जस्ट लाइक कबीर, जो बिल्कुल कबीर की तरह का लग रहा था. कबीर वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. कबीर हैरान हो गया. Now underline some difficult words and find out their meaning. First word is sound, यानी आवाज़. Looked, देखना. Round, इर्द गिर्द. Filled, भर जाना. Face, चेहरा. Just like की तरह. In this paragraph, we read that when the light of the computer is turned on, his room is filled with light too. When screen was on, the color of the screen was blue, and when Kabir looked toward the screen, what did he say? That there is a face on the screen which is like a Kabir's face, and he became surprised. Let's move toward the next paragraph. He looked at his webcam. उसने अपने webcam की तरफ देखा. The green light on the webcam was on. webcam के ऊपर हरी बत्ती चल रही थी. I can see his face. मैं उसका चेहरा देख सकता था. thought Kabir. कबीर ने सोचा. Can he see my face? क्या वो मेरा चेहरा देख सकता था? कबीर began to write a short message. कबीर ने एक छोटा सा पैगाम लिखना शुरू किया. Hello, wrote कबीर. Hello, कबीर ने लिखा. Who are you? आप कौन हो? The words appear on the computer screen. ये अल्फाज कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन के ऊपर जाहिर हुए. The face on the screen did not move. स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो चेहरा था वो हरकत नहीं कर रहा था. The computer made a noise. कंप्यूटर से एक आवाज़ आई. Buzz, beep, blick, कर. Now underline some difficult words and find out their meanings. The first word is webcam, यानी कंप्यूटर का कैमरा. The second word is thought, सोचना. Begin, शुरुआत. Wrote, लिखना. Words, अल्फाज. Move, हरकत. In this paragraph, we read that the green light of the webcam was on and the face is appeared on the screen. So Kabir thought that I can see his face. Can he see my face too? So he wrote a message on the screen. Who are you? The words is appeared on the computer screen and the face didn't move. After some time, the computer made a noise, buzz, beep, blick and curl. Let's move toward the next paragraph. A message began to appear under Kabir's message. कबीर के पैगामात में एक और पैगाम ज़ाहिर होना शुरू हो गया. हेलो, सेड द मैसेज. हु आर यू? हेलो, मैसेज ने कहा, आप कौन हैं? कबीर वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. कबीर हैरान हो गया. ही वॉज आल्सो अ लिटिल फ्राइटेंड. वो थोड़ा सा डर भी गया था. आई एम कबीर. कबीर टाइप्ड. मैं कबीर हूँ. कबीर ने लिखा. द वर्ड्स अपीयर्ड ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. ये अल्फाज कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पर ज़ाहिर होना शुरू हो गए. वंस अगेन द कंप्यूटर मेड द सेम नॉइस. एक दफ़ा फिर से कंप्यूटर ने उसी तरह की आवाज़ दी. अ मैसेज अपीयर्ड अंडर द कबीर्स मैसेज. ये मैसेज भी कबीर के मैसेजेस में ज़ाहिर होना शुरू हो गया. नाउ अंडरलाइन सम डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड फाइंड आउट देयर मीनिंग्स. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ बिगिन, यानी शुरुआत. अंडर, अंदर की तरफ. सरप्राइज्ड, हैरान होना. फ्राइटेंड, डर जाना. टाइप्ड, लिखना. अपीयर्ड, ज़ाहिर होना. वंस अगेन, एक और दफ़ा. सेम, उसी तरह की. नॉइस, आवाज़. In this paragraph, we read that when Kabir wrote a message, it is appeared on the computer screen and he became afraid that how can it is possible, and the computer replied that I am Kabir, who are you? Computer made a same noise, that is buzz, beep, blick and curl. Now move toward the next paragraph. I am Kabir. मैं कबीर हूँ. said the message. मैसेज ने कहा. Now Kabir was very frightened. कबीर बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया. He ran to the light switch near the door. वो अपने कमरे की बत्ती के स्विच की तरफ गया जो कि कमरे के दरवाजे के पास था. He switched on the light in his room. उसने अपने कमरे की बत्ती को चलाया. He went back to his desk. वो अपने डेस्क की तरफ वापस गया. He looked at his computer. उसने अपने कंप्यूटर की तरफ देखा. There was no face on the screen. अब वहाँ पर कोई चेहरा नहीं था. How silly, said कबीर. कितने बेवकूफ़ हो, कबीर ने कहा. It was just my reflection. वो सिर्फ मेरा अक्स था. The computer made a noise. कंप्यूटर से एक और आवाज़ आई. Buzz, beep, blick, curl. Now underline some difficult words and find out their meaning. Said, कहा. Very, बहुत. Run, भागा. Near, करीब. Went, जाना. Silly, बेवकूफ़. Just, सिर्फ. In this paragraph, we read that when Kabir wrote a message toward the computer, who are you? Computer replied him, I am Kabir. So Kabir became so much afraid. He ran towards the door and switched on the button of the light of his room. He went back to his desk. What he can see that there is no face on the screen. So he said to himself that how silly I am, that was just my reflection. Then computer make a noise, buzz, breathe, blink, कर. Now move toward the exercise of a unit. Part A is comprehension. Question number 1 is answer the following question. A. Where did Kabir go one evening? कबीर एक शाम को कहाँ गया था? So the answer is Kabir went to his room. कबीर अपने कमरे में गया था. B. What did he do in his room? वो अपने कमरे में क्या कर रहा था? So the answer is he did not put on the light. He switched on his computer. उसने अपने कमरे की बत्ती को नहीं बल्कि अपने कंप्यूटर को ऑन किया. C. What noises did the computer make? कंप्यूटर में से कौन कौन सी आवाज़ें आ रही थी? सो द आंसर इज बज, ब्लिप, प्लिप, प्लिप एंड बज, ब्रीप, ब्लिक, कर. व्हाट डिड कबीर फर्स्ट सी ऑन द स्क्रीन? स्क्रीन के ऊपर कबीर ने सबसे पहले क्या देखा? सो द आंसर इज कबीर फर्स्ट सी the screen was blue, then a face is appeared on the screen. कबीर ने सबसे पहले देखा कि स्क्रीन जो है वो नीली हो चुकी है और उसके ऊपर एक चेहरा जाहिर हो रहा है. E. What messages did कबीर type? कबीर ने क्या क्या पैगाम लिखा? So the answer is कबीर typed hello, who are you? कबीर ने लिखा hello, आप कौन हैं? F. Who was the boy on the screen? स्क्रीन के ऊपर कौन सा लड़का था? सो आंसर इज़ इट वॉज कबीर. वो कबीर ही था. द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कबीर, कबीर का अक्स. पार्ट बी इज़ वर्किंग विद वर्ड्स. 1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. चूज वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. इनटू, अंडर, राउंड, आउट ऑफ, फ्रॉम. स्टूडेंट चूज द सूटेबल वर्ड्स एंड पुट इन द ब्लैंक्स. ए. कबीर वेंट डैश हिज रूम. कबीर वेंट इन टू हिज रूम. कबीर अपने कमरे के अंदर गया. बी. ही जम्प्ड डैश हिज चेयर एंड रन टू द डोर. ही जम्प्ड फ्रॉम हिज चेयर एंड रन टू द डोर. उसने अपनी कुर्सी से छलांग लगाई और दरवाजे की तरफ भागा. सी. नॉइस केम डैश द कंप्यूटर. नॉइस केम आउट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. आवाज़ कंप्यूटर में से आ रही थी. डी. ही लुक्ड डैश द रूम. ही लुक्ड राउंड द रूम. वो अपने कमरे के इर्द गिर्द देख रहा था. ई. अ मैसेज अपीयर डैश कबीर्स मैसेज. अ मैसेज अपीयर अंडर कबीर्स मैसेज. एक और पैगाम कबीर के पैगामात में नज़र आ रहा था. Part C is learning about language. Naming words are called noun. Students, you know that the name of things, place or a man are called nouns. Number 1. Find nouns in the following. Find out the nouns and underline the nouns from these sentences. A. The computer was on the desk. So the nouns are computer and desk, because these are the names of things. B. A face appeared on the screen. So the face and screen are noun. C. The light on the webcam was green. So the light and webcam are nouns. Describing words are called adjective. Students, you know that the words are describe anything are called an adjectives. Number 2. Find adjectives in the following. A. Kabir had a noisy computer. Students, you know that the words are describe something are an adjective. So the noisy is an adjective in this sentence. B. The computer made a loud noise. So the loud is an adjective. C. Kabir wrote a short message. So the short is adjective. Number 3 is add interesting adjectives to the following. Student, you know that describing words are called adjective, यानी किसी की खूबी बताना. So now start. A dash tree, a small tree, an dash man, an honest man, a dash god, a beautiful god, a dash mountain, a huge mountain. A dash girl, a tall girl. A dash loin, a big loin. A dash woman, a nice woman. A dash pond, a small pond. A dash boy, a little boy. A dash house, a big house. A dash pencil, a small pencil. A dash road, a wide road. So student, write these words in the blanks which I speak. Part D is listening and speaking. Number 1, read these sentences aloud. A. It is on the screen. B. He switched it on. C. He was frightened. D. Kabir wrote a message. E. It made a loud noise. Now make question from the sentences. Read the questions aloud. So number 1 is it on the screen? B. Did he switch it on? C. Was he frightened? D. Did Kabir write a message? E. Did it make a loud noise? Now move toward the word book of the same unit, Kabir's computer. A. Noun and adjectives. Number 1, choose a noun and an adjective for each picture. Student, you know that nouns are the name of thing, place or a man, and adjective are describing words. Now write the names of things and a place or a man. So the number 1 picture is ice cream. Number 2 is shirt. Number 3 is snake. Number 4 is tiger. Number 5 is man. Number 6 is swan. Now write adjective. Ice cream is tasty. So the adjective is tasty. The shirt adjective is torn. Snake adjective is long. Tiger adjective is growling. Man adjective is old. Swan adjective is beautiful. So write these words in the blanks. Part B is the pyramid. Number 1, talk about the pictures. Top, bottom. Students, you can see a picture in which the one rat is on the top of the box and the one is bottom. Top means upar, bottom niche. Middle or between. Student, you can see a picture of a rat who is standing in middle or a between of two glass. The next word is side, yani ek taraf. Student, you can see a picture of a rat who is standing in a side of a piece of a wood. The next word is under, yani niche. The rat is under a chair. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Students, the picture and the name is right in the side of the blanks. Choose suitable words from there and write in the blanks. Ratty is at the dash. Ratty is at the top. B. Ali is in the dash. Ali is in the middle. Mr. Malik is at the dash. Mr. Malik is at the bottom. D. Rafi is dash Amir and Ali. Student, you can see at the picture, Rafi is between Amir and Ali. E. Mrs. Malik is at the dash. Student, you can see at the picture, Mr. Malik is standing at the side. F. Tahir is dash pussy. Tahir is under the pussy. So students, you have to know the meaning of these words, then you put these words at the suitable blanks. So the top mean is ऊपर, between, दरमियान में, side, एक तरफ, under, नीचे. G. Ali is on dash of Rafi. Ali is on top of Rafi. H. Rafi is dash Ali. Rafi is under Ali. Part C at the top. Number 1. Study the picture in exercise B2 on page 80. Answer these questions. Students, in previous page, we learned about top, bottom, middle, side, under. Now use these words and answer these questions. A. Where is Pussy? So the answer is Pussy is between Rafi and Tahir. B. Where is Ali? Ali is in the middle. C. Where is Mrs. Malik? Mrs. Malik is at the side. D. Where is Tahir? Tahir is under the pussy. E. Where is Mr. Malik? Mr. Malik is at the bottom. F. Who is at the top? So the answer is Ratty is on the top. G. Who is on the top of Rafi? So the answer is Ali is on the top of Rafi. H. Who is between Pussy and Ali? So the answer is Tahir is between Pussy and Ali. So students, this is the end of our lecture. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.